let's go to Ambika Soni now. Remember, we said we've been meeting key ministers of Team Manmohan on this show. Ma'am, first, many congratulations.
Thank you.
We've been asking all the ministers we've been speaking to, is there a moment of anxiety that you feel when you don't know what portfolio you'll get next?
Yes, yes, of course. I mean, you know, I am one of the people, I want to know everything about what I have to do. No, I'm just saying that that's the truth. I mean...
All right, I won't embarrass you more, but what portfolio would you say your heart lies in? You're widely believed to be perhaps retaining where you have been these 5 years.
Well, I've been a minister for 3 years, Barkha.
Oh, well, I beg your pardon,
and I had a tourism and culture which was supposed to be a back burner portfolio. But I must say I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it because I tried my best and I was helped by the Prime Minister in giving tourism an economic profile, job creation, resource generation, etc., training. And culture is something where I have learnt a lot, and it has opened up new avenues where I feel a lot needs to be done. 3 years or 5 years is never going to be enough. It has to be a continuous affair, one person, one government to another.
Okay.
So I enjoyed my 3 years. I don't know what is in store for me again. I'd love to be again tourism and culture maybe.
You know, I have to tell you, ma'am, your answers have been the most candid. Most other people have also said whatever the Prime Minister gives me is okay. Quickly, we're almost at the end of time. Sheikh Habib, quick comments on what you make of Ambika Soni, very candidly saying, listen, I do have anxiety. I want to know what I'm doing.
Well, yes, and I think, well, I mean, as you said, she's been the most candid, but there's no harm being candid. I think it's good to be candid. I think also she's done a fine job in the ministry she had, and she's right in saying that in our scheme of things, somehow tourism and culture don't get the same priority as it should. But on the basis of what she's done, I think she does deserve to do something larger than that. She needs to paint on a larger canvas. She's also been around in politics for a long time. She's no spring chicken.
We're almost
Three
at the end.
things. One is, I think we forget that when the cabinet was sworn in, she was offered a cabinet post. She refused, saying what Rahul Gandhi is now saying, that she was going to work for the party for 2 years. By the time she was, I think, ready to join the cabinet, she got tourism and culture, which is probably not her first choice. Despite the fact it wasn't her first choice, she's been an outstanding tourism minister, one of the best we've ever had, and perhaps she should stay there. I suspect, though she probably won't get it, her heart is on INB though.
Her heart is in?
INB.
INB. Ambika Soni, very quick response to that. Veer Sanghvi says your heart is in information and broadcasting. Quickly, we're almost at the end.
Thank you very much for the compliments, but I'm not going to be candid any longer.
That's touche, ma'am. That's touche. Really smart answer there. Thank you so much, and many, many congratulations.